In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin header in Wix. By the end, your site's header will stay visible at the top of the page while visitors scroll, which is great for keeping your logo, navigation, and call to action always within reach. Start in the Wix editor with any page open. The key idea here is that a header is a global section, so when you make this change, it applies across your site unless you've customized pages differently. First, click directly on the header area at the top of your canvas. Make sure you're selecting the entire header strip, not just an element inside it like a logo or menu. You'll know it's selected when you see the header's bounding box and a label or breadcrumb that indicates you're working on the header, not an individual component. Next, look for the small settings icon, the gear that appears near the header when it's selected. Click that gear to open the header settings panel. This panel controls how the header behaves and looks on your site, including layout, design, and importantly for us, how it behaves on scroll. In the settings panel, find the option labeled freeze or pin. Wix may call this freeze header or simply freeze, but the function is the same. It keeps the header fixed at the top as the page content moves beneath it. Click freeze to enable it. Once it's on, the header becomes a sticky element, maintaining its position regardless of how far a visitor scrolls. If you're using a theme with transparency or effects, keep in mind that a frozen header may overlay your content. Visually, that can be beautiful, but make sure your first section has enough contrast so text doesn't disappear behind the header. Now it's time to confirm everything works the way you expect. Click Preview in the top right of the editor. In preview mode, scroll down the page and watch how the header behaves. It should stay locked to the top of your screen, with your navigation and any buttons remaining clickable and visible. Move between a couple of pages to see the behavior consistently. Notice how your content flows under the header. This is where spacing and readability really matter, especially on longer pages. When you're satisfied with the result, you can exit preview and continue editing, or go ahead and publish when you're ready to take the change live. That's it. Your header is now pinned in Wix, giving visitors constant access to your site's most important links and branding.